Hello and welcome again to my new video. Today I am going to show you how you can play PSP games on your Android phone. First, open Play Store and search PPSSPP. Install the first application. Now go back to your home screen and open your browser. Go to Google search and type in Need for Speed PSP ISO and click search. Open the first link. Scroll down the page and click download. Now click on click here hyperlink. Now let the download finish. Now extract the zip which we downloaded. Go to your file manager and extract the zip file. Now create a new folder called PSP ISO and extract the files there. As you can see, the game is now extracted in the PSP ISO folder. Now open the PPSSPP app. Click Allow. Now open the PSP ISO folder. Open the Need for Speed folder. Before opening the game, first change the settings. If your device supports Vulkan, then enable it. Change the resolution on basis of your device performance. If you want to see FPS counter in the game, you can enable it in the settings. Now open the game. Click Yes. Now enjoy the gameplay footage. As you can see, the game runs very smoothly. So that's for it today. Thanks for watching, share and subscribe, and I'll meet you again with a new video.